Hey YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Today is the Haunted Forest Party. Last time I was here, I did the haunted house party thing. And anyways, today's items are Medusa mask. Yes, 1,500 gems. Makes sense because these things are pretty rare. I forgot. There. Witch hat. I bought one already. I bought like one of everything already. That's why I only have 130 gems. Wizard hat, not the rare one now. Sorry. You can pretend you have the rare one. And just kidding. Let's go to the colors. Werewolf mask. Okay, I was surprised when I saw all these good items. I was like, why does this party have such good items? Yeti mask. Yeah. Sorry, it just took a second. Yeah. Good. I just came back home. Yeah. Good. Just wait a sec. It was nothing. It was nothing. No, nothing. Oh yeah, she does. Bedfellows, mama. Bedfellows, mama. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Good. Oh, just wait. Okay, sorry about that interruption. Next is the demon mask. Yeah, as I just showed. And to turn, oh wait, den items. Yeah, just wait. Sorry about that interruption. Sorry, I'm eating. So the next item is scary eyes. Pretty creepy, that one. There's white ones. Yeah. Scary fence. Spooky lights. Ceiling web. It has that little spider. Round web. And patch of fog. You can't really see it, but I'll show you. And the music is Spooky Old Bones, of course. Let me just see it. And to turn invisible, you can go under a tree if you want, or just stay in the fog, but I prefer. Okay, weird. I speak gibberish. Good for you. Yeah. Thank you, Animal Jam, for finally bringing all these epic items back, especially these two. And also these epic items. I was so happy to see this item. Oh, and also the patch of fog. I was screaming, yes! And I bought like 3. Yeah. So let me show you the patch of fog. Oh. So let me show you Spooky Old Bones. I believe the reason why they did that is because of that. So let me show you around my house. So to get the ghosts, you go here, or you don't have to do this, but and here's the ghost. And today's new item, scary balloons. I put 4 actually. Sorry. Oops. 3 phantoms. I didn't really win the green and red one, but whatever. Up here, you see the window and the scary eyes, the cobweb, and come down here, skeleton throne from last time, and this, and this. I still have everything from last time. I hope you enjoy that. This haunted forest party while it's still on. It's pretty epic, anyways. Oh, if you're wondering where to get those ghosts, okay, come here. Click that tree above the music. Yeah. Weird, but whatever. So I hope you enjoy with all your items. And I'm just gonna dress up. Oh yeah, I have to, sorry. I'm so hungry right now. so much. Ah, ah. We are so like, look at us. Look at us. Look at us. We are alive. By the way, hello animals who live. You're creepy. Anyways, so I hope you enjoy this video, and if you get the witch hat, you can put a witch hat on your owl if you got one. Oh, one more thing. Sorry. Diamond Shop finally brought the tarantulas back. I like this pattern. I think pink would be good. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, you can pick more color eyes. Heaven. I just like this cutie. Oh, God. I like that one. Oh. Whatever. There are 3 diamonds, like always. And you still, oh, oops. You still have your fox and your raccoon, so yay. Cutie. I'll be saving my diamonds for one. For tarantula. Though I was hoping to buy a pet fox and raccoon before they go, because this just came out. And if you saw my updates one, I just want to make this clear. Where is that? Oh, darn. What? Oh, we have spotted fast. What animal is spotted and fast? Yep. Cheetah. So I'm pretty much I'm thinking right now that I think you know what I'm trying to say here. I'm so hungry. Oh. Hope you have fun with your tarantula once you get one. They are really cute. So I'm just getting my We are a power match. I'm trying to make everything matchy. Where's my spooky? Oh, I don't have a spooky animal? No, I'll make my bunny one. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and bye!